Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Monrette again this week for our little cooking lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Last week we had 2.1 thousand views on our recipe for lentil soup. Benny, thanks for sending in your cooking video. Remember to send me your address because I have a gift card for you. So today I have my son Matthew. Say hi, Matt.
Hi.
Matt is going to help us cook, and we know that in your bags, your weekend bags, you have a can of chicken and some mushroom soup and some rice. So Matt and I were looking for recipes, and I have one right here that I'll post on the website. And it has all the things that you have in your bag, but we realized that it's just stirring everything together and putting it in a casserole pan. So we thought that was kind of boring. Looks good, but it's kind of boring to watch. So we came up with something different. You also received your card with milk and eggs from Stewart's. So Matt loves French toast. He loves breakfast food. So he helped make this recipe. So today you're gonna need 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup of milk. You can substitute that with water. My mom always used water when we were kids. I have milk today, so I'm gonna use milk. 4 slices of bread, any kind that you like. Optional is 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Now, the Monrette kids have been making these weird concoctions with vanilla, and I have none in the house, so we will not be using that. But that's okay. We're just going to use cinnamon. It's okay, Matt. They've been making frappuccinos homemade with vanilla. I don't know. So today the instructions, you're going to beat the egg, the milk, the cinnamon, and not the vanilla in my house, but if you have it and you want to use it in your house, in a shallow dish. Then you're going to dip the bread mixture, turn to coat both sides, and then cook the bread slices on medium heat until it's browned on both sides. And it's helpful to grease the pan first so that the French toast doesn't stick. So, Matt, you ready? Mm-hmm. What I did was I sprayed my pan with some Pam, and I broke the eggs into a shallow pie dish. Matthew, you want to mix it up for me? Matt's going to break the eggs, and he's going to kind of whisk it all together. This is where we're going to add our cinnamon. We have, keep on whisking. We have about a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I gotta be honest, usually when we make this, we don't really measure it. We just kind of throw it in, whatever we think. And then we have some milk. Can you pour that for me? We're gonna throw some milk in. Keep going, Matt. Mix that cinnamon up real good.
I'm trying to get it off here.
Okay. You're doing great. All right. Now, what do you have to do, Matt?
Put the toast in.
Yep, put the bread in. And what are you doing with that? Why are you doing that?
To soak in the stuff.
You got it. To soak in the egg mixture. And now what do you do?
Wait for it to soak and then flip it.
You got it. He's using, it's called potato bread. You can use any bread. If you have white bread or wheat bread. We like wheat bread with it. Okay. And then, Matt, what are you going to do?
Wait for this to soak up and then you put it in there.
Yeah, you got it. I'm going to turn the pan on, medium heat right now, just to start to get it hot.
Can I put it in?
Yeah, sure. You're all set. Oop. Matt likes to do 2 at a time because he likes to eat 2 of them. Okay, you got it. And while those are cooking, what can you do now so we don't waste any time?
Place in these.
You got it. Put the next ones in. Matt, what do you like to have on your French toast? No, not there. Like, what do you usually put on it when you're eating it?
Syrup.
Yeah, Matt likes to have syrup on his French toast. My mom likes to put powdered sugar on her French toast. Whatever you, or you can eat it plain. My other daughter likes to eat it just plain. It's delicious either way. You could leave those right in there, Matt, until we're ready to put them in the pan. We've got to flip these first. So Matt's saying that we need a little more of that egg mixture. One of the things that I like about this recipe is you can throw a little bit of water in there. So we'll take that measuring, that's good. Take that measuring cup and throw a little bit of water in there and mix it together to kind of stretch whatever little egg mixture is left. Now this is just the egg that you had on your French toast. So it actually has to cook a little bit more on here. Let's just cook it a little bit. You got a lot of egg on there. It takes a couple minutes on each side. Nice job. Okay. Almost.
For it to soak.
Yeah, that's fine. You can leave it right in there soaking while this is getting cooked.
There's nothing will change but making it better.
Right. And don't forget, while we're waiting for this to cook and flip, here, you want to try flip it, Matt? If you submit a video or...
Flipping it, it's done.
Flip it over because I want to cook it a little bit more on that side because I flipped it too early. Thanks. The white part is just the egg. It looks like we needed to mix it just a little bit more so that it wasn't that way. And we'll want to brown it a little bit more, but we'll keep on going. Don't forget that if you send me a video or a recipe with some of the ingredients that you've used from your bag, you're in the running for a gift card from Price Chopper to purchase more ingredients, and we can cook together again. I think we should flip this one, to be honest with you. Yeah, I think it needs to cook just a little bit more. But since that's there, you can put another one because we have an open spot. Okay? So we're going to show you the recipe one last time while Matt is cooking. It is Matt's French toast, 2 eggs, 4 slices of bread, 1/4 cup of milk, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla if you have it, and put it all together and you can bake or you can cook. So we hope you have a good day and we look forward to seeing you next week. Thanks so much. Bye.